How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I find the most precise bottoms in the stock market. And today I want to talk about ticker TTOO. I haven't did a video on this for a while. I know a lot of people are pumping it, and you know, I just want to share you guys what I see, what works, and what the that I'm about to show you tells me where this can go. And this is a reversal trading, so I'm looking where things can reverse here. All right, anyways, let's get straight into it. So I want to show you guys, wow, the weekly chart. Obviously, you got to zoom in to see kind of what we're looking at. So obviously, it's in a big downtrend, and so yeah. So what we see is, here's the weekly. So we're way down here. Obviously, what you want to see here when the bands get close to the green, when the price candles get close to the green, that is a buy signal. When it gets close to the red, that is a sell zone. And and this is a weekly candle, so it is very hard for a weekly candle to get close to these bands. So when it does, the price is going to want to move up. As you can see right here, it gets close and it starts moving up. But yeah, these bands also are Keltner channels, and I customize to the settings that I like. But let's go straight to the daily because that's not going to show us much. The daily is going to give us a more of a better signal here, as because this is a lower price stock. I use weekly more for bigger caps. All right, so for the daily, you can see when the price gets under this green band, you get a big freaking rally right here, and then it sells off. The pattern you're going to notice is price likes to magnet to this blue band. It gets to it, it either sells off or it goes up. It gets to it and it goes up, and then it comes back down. This is an inflection point. That means it's going to sell off fast once it hits this red band, and it does. Hits the red band to a lot, and it sells off a lot right here, and then it goes back down kind of near the blue band. It does not have to touch the blue band. It can get close to it, but it will eventually touch it. So then it goes all the way back up, sells off, and then it touches it. It will. I promise you, it will touch it. So this is what we're getting right now. We're at the current price. We are not under the band, so I'm not in a buy zone. I'm not in a sell zone. I'm just in the middle between the blue and the green. So not really anything I can do. It's just kind of just stagnant. Not really much to do. It's just there. I can see it going to $5.23 in the very near future, because that's where it's trying to touch. It will touch it. When it doesn't touch it for a long period of time, it will touch it and then it'll go back to where it wants to go. Now, when it hits the blue band, it is flipping a coin. All right, keep that in mind. You don't know what it wants to do. It will do whatever it wants after that. And then I have RSI and KDJ. For the KDJ, I teach my people, when the K is very low, the price is just extremely oversold and wants to bounce back. Okay, so now I don't just buy it when it's under the band, and I don't just sell it when it's over the band. There's a lot of criteria I look for, a lot of and other indicators that coordinate. You don't ever use just one system to say, oh, this is a trade. You have to use multiple things to prove a point that this is a high value. It's all probabilities. Nothing in trading is for certain. Keep that in mind. Nothing in trading is for certain. But if I have a high probability that says if it hits this red band, it sells off, I'd rather take the trade and short it when it hits the red band. Why would I short it when it hits the blue or the green? That is what's called back testing, and I have done this for years and years and years. And if, let's just say I'm at a loss, I bought it, and it hits the blue band, I take the loss at the blue because that's like gambling, and I move on. But I'm telling you, the probabilities of winning are so high, and that is what you want in trading. You want high probabilities of winning. You want an edge in the market. You don't just buy this random mess right in here. Now it's looking a little bit better to buy, but I'm going to buy it when it's under the band. Okay, so now I briefly discussed the strategy. I briefly discussed how it works, but I did not go in. It will take an hour, 2 hours to go full depth of how to correctly work this strat. But you kind of get the idea. You're not randomly buying. You're buying zones. What you want to do, if you want to get into the real-time alerts, I have a Discord with premium chat, real-time buy alerts. The minute I post that, that is a buy signal that I'm in. You can get in, follow me, and I have accumulation rules in there that I tell you exactly how to accumulate, exactly when to exit, and all that. I have the setup video to tell you This is how you set up exactly your charts like mine. If you want to get the basic understanding what I see, I also have a trading view indicator that I use. Just another layer of protection. But anyways, yeah, that's the Discord. It is $7.99 a month. If you want to get into the free, the premium alerts, the premium chat where I discuss with you one-on-one coaching, and then the setup video, you get all that within it. But yeah, this is TTOO. Obviously, there's no trade signal for me according to the system I'm in. But yeah, I will alert you. It doesn't have to be this trade. It can be any trade that I will alert you according to in the Discord of what I see. If you're into the premium chat, which is $7.99 a month, it is totally worth it. And I hope to see you guys there. If you have anything, just let me know. Bye.